Hey guys, so I have been in a filming rut like the last kind of week or so, and I just don't know what to film. I'm not feeling creative or inspired, so naturally I went to Sephora's website. So I bought a couple new things, and I did buy a new palette that I haven't used before, and that is the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. I know this palette launched like a month or two ago, maybe longer, I don't really know, but I didn't buy it at first because I thought it looked really similar to like Naughty Nude, Mercury Retrograde, the other nude palette. I just didn't feel like I needed this in my collection, but I have gotten a lot of requests to use it, and I'm just excited to have something new to play with, so I'm gonna use this palette today. I have not used this palette yet, and I really have no idea of what I'm gonna do today, but here's what it looks like untouched. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do today, but I'm kind of snowed in today. It's snowed and boring, so let's play with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with Gratitude on a Sigma E25, and this shade is gonna go in my crease. Ooh, this looks a lot pinkier on the eye than it did in the pan. Well, it's kind of like a brown with a pink undertone. It's actually pretty. I like that. Kind of different. I also just got a lash lift about 2 days ago, which is why my lashes look so amazing naturally like this. Highly recommend trying a lash lift if you haven't done it before. It'll change your life. I would definitely call this shade like a rosy brown. It's very pretty. Now I'm gonna pick up Radiate, and I'm just gonna go around the edges here and kind of soften out that first color. Now I'm taking more of that first shade Gratitude and adding that to like the outer half of my lid and connecting it into the crease right here. Okay, now I'm gonna take Energize on a Sigma E54. I just swatched this shade and it looked beautiful, so let's place this on the inner part of the lid. So far, this look is kind of reminding me of the Natasha Denona Retro palette. Anyone else? Now I'm gonna take a Sigma E20 with more Gratitude and apply that along the lower lash line. And as always, connecting the eyeshadow right out here to kind of get that nice like winged out effect. Then I'm just gonna use my E25 and just softly blend that out. I want a little more depth, so I'm gonna take Aura on that same E20, and I'm gonna place that kind of on the outer part of my upper lash line and kind of into my outer V area. See what I did there? And also bring that Aura shade on the outer part of my lower lash line. Okay, I know this look is kind of softer and almost kind of boring because I only use like 3 colors, but I like it. I like the tones. I'm gonna pick up this Self Love shade on a Sigma LO4. I'm gonna try to use this shade to highlight. Kind of has a little bit of a pink undertone to it. Now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. All right, my lashes are on and I have 2 exciting things to share. First of all, I'm wearing my new half lash from my brand, The Bright Lashes, and the style is called Vivid. This one is a super cute half lash, so easy to apply. You don't have to do any trimming out of the box. You literally just pop on the glue, pop on the lash, and you're good to go. Out of my 3 half lashes, this one has the most kind of like a cat eye little pull to it. So if you're someone who really likes that kind of cat eye effect, or you wear like winged eyeliner a lot, this lash would be perfect for you. And then my other good news is that all my lashes are finally back in stock now, except Minimalist because it just went out of stock, but everything else I have. So the big ones that you guys wanted were Flutter, Flare, and Angela, so those are all fully in stock. I have plenty of inventory. And as always, I'll leave my lashes linked down below for you. And this is my final look with the Rose Quartz palette. I went really simple today. Like I said, I've been in kind of a funk, so this is kind of the best I can do right now. I don't know, that sounds kind of shitty, but It's still pretty. I just feel like sometimes I have to be doing these like crazy extravagant looks using like 5+ eyeshadows, but I know that day to day people aren't wearing that type of eyeshadow, so it is okay for me to tone it back and do simple looks like this because I know that so many of you would totally wear this kind of look. But anyways, I'm totally gonna do more looks with this palette because there are like more fun looks I can create with this, and you guys know I like to show you multiple looks with one palette, so if you want to see more with this palette, stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.